Kular nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee baru balongru MP ke Lok Sabha ubah Vincent H. Pala habaya keren berkilat patai kubor mentakasngi ke kendai terik ukelaling kot arajar arpusau ulaong bala da pai shi ke jinglong jingman jong ke Sorkar MDA 1 but MDA 2 kamtam ha ke bedai bat kijing Kular ki bakala clay shi ki pat ba ha ke por bayalap election ki bakintop nadu ke ba penyok kam ya san lak ngut ki breu jong ke jela ki bakintup nadu ke ba penyok ya ki kam ki bahadu san lak teli ya ki breu jong ke jela ki bahadu menta lada pet bha tang silak ru kampat kon nang ta ki Kular ban pelat ya ke jingti doyong hinre hadu menta mene kene mat ru kampat tri kampura kadon ru ke jing Kular ban penyok ya kita ki license hinre ke Sorkar jela ka ai pen ban da ki karkhana thang doyong ki ba penjat kala ya ke mariang bat ya ke dur kadar jong ki saudong saukun kishnong ki thau ulo ongru ke jing penlong yi kita masa bapher kum kita masa sok nyam tra ki ba klemdon usok bat ki wei kita masa penbernya bat ye kini ki ai baro la rai tang ne ke benta ke jing Kwah pisa bat lingba ke jing lalot pisa kila penjat penban ya ke than West Khasi Hills Jaintia Hills kaput bat ki wei bat ke jingle jong ke Sorkar kanam pen kemen yi ki pat ba wat tang ha ki shipho bana ki bala lek dru Badula ong bakermen bagi pat ba ke jela kin perkhat bun sin pat bishari ki kam jong ke Sorkar kam tam hagini ki election MP ka ban sa longshen hapo kari baro ke wei.
If you look at the MDA, be it MDA 1 or the MDA 2, I'm talking from the point of commitment. They promised work to 5 lakhs people. I think not even 1 lakh has been finished. At least if you divide that 5 lakhs divided by 5 years, so how many has been employed? 0. They promised coal in the manifesto, 0. They have made a funfair that they have given a mining license, 0. Rather they give us so many coke plants, this become poison for the people. And with that coke plant today, the people are having an orange festival with an orange. Today people have pine festival with a pine, and with that, that decision we have taken only for the sake of money and sake of greed. They have spoiled the entire West Khasi Hills, the entire Jaintia Hills, entire border. So I think it's total failure. Nobody will be happy for the last not even 10 months or so, before also, but somehow because of the gap between the leaders and because of the ego of the leaders from the Congress, this has been, they got a second chance, but people will definitely realize and definitely will rethink right from the coming election of the Lok Sabha.